hello, beautiful people. Ito na naman po ang inyong lingkod. It's Maria. So, hindi ko na naiano yung aking breakfast. So, actually, yung aking chicken macaroni salad, puno. So, sobrang excited ko dahil ginawa ko nga pala yung kagabi. Hindi ko na napakita sa inyo dahil sobrang busy na ako. Malilate na ako kung mapapakita pa. Pero at least, yan yung aming medianoche for tonight. So, dahil na sobrang excited ko ako yan, ito na natin ito. So, ayan ang ating breakfast for today. As usual, avocado, egg, and ang ating chicken macaroni salad. And of course, coffee stuff. I hope you like this my video for today. And I hope a video for today. So, we'll see mga pangyaw. So, ayan. So, dahil morning, na-block na naman ako. Hindi ko na naman alam kung ano ang sasabihin ko. Yes, you'll see mga pangyaw later what happened or what will do for today or what is my vlogmas day 23. Oh my god, I forgot. 23, vlogmas 23. So, see you later, guys. So, as you can see, guys, almost done. I wrapped, but I'm so tired last night. Yes, we have some remaining, only one, but at least I wrap all of them. So as you can see, it's really try to wrap all the gift. Almost. It's a different style, so I tried to make like this style, and it's one, and some of them are same. Okay guys, see you later. I hope you like this my video for today, and please hit the like and share, and please, if you want to update all my latest upload, please click notification bell, and please join with me for today for my vlogmas day 22. I'm going out later, and we'll see, you will see where I'm going today. here in Hong Kong, as you can see, we have a train. This is a train station, and also the bus. It's a double bus, as you can see. This is the trademark here in Hong Kong. Mostly the bus like that. Double deck bus. So this is the train station. It's a train station.
The next stop is Clifton Street.
This is already on Long Hapchan. I'm not sure where's the MTR. I need to going to MTR. Let me see where is the MTR. So this is the place here in Hong Kong, Yuen Long North, Yuen Long South, and Yuen Long North. So as you can see, here is, we are now here in North Yuen Long. I need to go to the MTR, but I don't know where. Oh, Jollibee, Hong Kong Jollibee, Yuen Long. You can see we have also
Dito, yung Christmas wish at ano stars.
yeah, pa-call tayo. Pa-call tayo sa kanya. Okay lang? Pa-call tayo sa kanya. Can take picture? Okay. Going. For some reason, that's why. So I'm here now. Go. Wow, so beautiful. As you can see, guys, it's Christmas. That is the spirit of Christmas. Wow, so beautiful. Yoho Mall. Sige. Diyan ka, sa gitna. Sa gitna. Ay, against the lights. Doon ka sa gilid. Against the light. Dito, dito.